The euro is the official currency of many European countries, used by both EU members and some non-EU nations. It plays a key role in trade, travel, and economic stability across the continent. Let's discover where the euro is used. Eurozone countries, EU members. Within the European Union, 20 countries have adopted the euro as their official currency. These are Austria, Belgium, Croatia, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. Together, they form the Eurozone, where the euro is used for everyday transactions and international trade. Non-EU countries and territories using the euro. Several non-EU countries and microstates also use the euro. Andorra, Kosovo, Monaco, Montenegro, San Marino, and Vatican City have adopted it either through agreements with the EU or unilaterally. Additionally, certain territories of EU countries, such as French overseas regions like Guadeloupe, Martinique, Réunion, French Guiana, and others, also use the euro. Overall, the euro is one of the most widely used currencies in the world, spanning multiple countries and territories. It stands as a symbol of European unity and economic cooperation. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next video.